Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a functioning camera for a Five Nights at Freddy's game like this. I'm currently making a game right now, and I thought I'm about to make the cameras for the game. Well, I already made the variables and everything that I'm ready for. Okay, so let's just start. So first thing you're going to want to do is go choose a sprite and then paint. And you're going to want to rename the sprite to camera button. Okay. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set 0x, 0y. Then you're going to go into your costume thing here and you're going to make the button. So I'm going to make mine, let's just say green. And we'll make it across the top, or you can make it on the bottom, depends on how spacious, how do you say that? Okay, anyway, yeah, I'm making it at the top because there's buttons at the bottom that you have to press, so. And then you're gonna add camera text onto it to make it you know it's the camera. You could also hold Alt to stretch things evenly. Lower that a little using arrow keys. And we got a good camera button for now. Now comes the code. If I'm going too fast, you can just pause the video and copy the code, okay? Yo, when flagged, clicked. Okay, you don't have to copy this. It's just for me personally. I have to do this real quick. Yeah, you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this real quick for my game because of the title screen and everything. It has to be hidden during that. So now and then go to, you can see I have a bunch of sprites here. Don't pay attention to that. Okay, now we get to the code part where we actually code the camera. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take, when this sprite clicked, we're gonna go broadcast. Come on. Uh-oh, that's not good. One sec, I have to. Okay, sorry, we're back. I just had to fix a little glitch that was happening with my thing. Okay, so yeah, I know I was saying we have to. Oops. Okay, well, okay. Just gonna make these appear again. Okay, now they reappeared. Okay, so you have to click broadcast. Then I already have, I think. No, we don't. Okay, what you want to do is you want to click camera manager. Once you have that, you're going to want to drag in an if else statement. And you're going to want to make a variable. I already have one. Basically, you make a variable called camera on. Saying I already have it. I'm just gonna go, I'm actually gonna put an equals thing in here real quick. Then we're gonna drag camera on equals 1. Set, oh wait, no, we want that to equals 0. Set camera to, we do this, set camera just like that. So now that we have that in place, I'm pretty sure if we click camera, you'll see, oh my gosh. Okay, one sec, I have to restart the project. Oh, actually, I gotta save the project real quick. By the way, I'm actually working on this game. It's called Two Enemies Will Parry Rebooted. I was originally gonna just stop after the Ultimate Custom Night game. Okay, so now that we have that, you can see our camera button is working. So now, what we wanna do is we wanna go paint, and then we wanna make the real camera itself. This is just the toggle button to toggle the camera. Go, go, go. Yep, go. No. 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 That's my mom, and then Riley. Everyone's trying to come into my room while I'm recording. Okay, so, we'll just do black as the fill, and then white as the outline, and then we'll go okay, now we have our camera thing. I'm gonna make like some sort of animation like thing where it starts flat, really flat, and then as the frames go by, it looks like you're lifting up the camera. There. Now we have the camera's frames done. What we could do is, I'm gonna quickly do the hide thing again. Okay, this time I think it's mandatory to do the hide thing, because, when I receive title screen, help screen. After this video, I'll give you like a sneak peek of what the game's gonna be about. Shut up, Trey! Okay, so now we go camera manager forever. One sec, just okay. Now we go when I receive camera manager forever. Shut up, Trey! Okay, and now when we go, shut up, Train! Now if we go, I think it's if else. We'll try that. If else, if camera on equals to switch costume to show, and then we'll repeat the amount of frames after the next costume 0.03. That train is super annoying. Okay. That's not good. I don't think we need the forever loop. Now we're gonna do this backwards, but saying there's no back costume, we're gonna have to do this manually. Okay. So we just put it like that, and then we'll go like that. I know it's really like tedious to do this. You're just gonna wanna, if you're doing it motion, I'll make a separate like video on like motion instead of frame by frame animation, which is what I did for the camera. So now yeah, we're definitely doing an if statement. Then we duplicate this. We're just gonna put this to 0. Then we're just gonna do this. Huh. Maybe it does need a forever loop. No, it does not. What's going on here? Did I mess up the button? No, couldn't be. If camera on equals 0. Camera on equals 0. Okay. Let's try this. The second time it doesn't. Oh, I know why. We need to broadcast camera manager here. I'm the person doing the tutorial and I don't even know why the heck it's not working. Now we can lift up the camera and everything. We're obviously gonna do hide after all this. I might actually move this down a bit. Just put the. Okay, we'll just go to -38. You'd obviously go to any Y you're doing. But yeah, now we have our camera, kinda. But now it's just kind of something blocking our way of seeing. Like, we can't see with this stinking camera in the way, you know? So that's the point of the camera. You're not supposed to be able to see the office when the camera's up. Okay, ignore that. We actually have to have functionality to the camera. So now what we want to do is add cam buttons. Cam 1 button, and we'll just add make it a bit smaller here. Add, this is your mapping. I'm going to add first of all, you're going to want to draw your map. So I'm going to do like a basic map. Like, it goes like this. Kinda. And like, okay, this will be like a room here. This could be like a room here. And then like there'll be like another like room here, and I'll put like sorry if there's just a lawnmower in the background. There'll be like the main stage here, and like then there'll be like a hallway, and then another hallway, and then kind of make your office like that, I guess. So like this is like the parts and service, oh gosh dang. This is like the parts and service area where I'm going to put one of my characters. This is like going to be like the music box area, and this is going to be where the main 3 are, and then they're going to slowly make their way towards you. That's the plan. I'm obviously going to make cam 1 where the main 3 are. So what you'll do is, wait 1 sec. Okay, 1 sec. Basically what you'll do is you'll name this to whatever cam you want to name it. I'm personally going to name it cam 1 here. This is going to be a bit of a long tutorial because cameras take a while. I'm probably going to leave like AI functioning in like a different video if you guys want to see a full series on a Fnaf game. But basically you add the camera, and now let's do code. We'll obviously have to do all this hiding stuff again. you only have to do the clicked hiding for now if you're making a game, but for me, I personally have to do this. Not, yeah, I mean, technically yes, night one hide, but help screen hide. I don't know why I always put the help screen. It's just extra precaution. Okay, now we go. When I receive camera manager. If equals, oh my god, what did I do? Okay, equals 0, and then we put this here for equals 1, and then we'll do the camera on thing. This is basically just telling what it'll hide and show. So if the camera is off, we'll hide it, and if the camera is on, we'll show it. So, yep, there we go. But there's a little bit of a bad thing. It shows up before the camera's animation is finished. This is a semi-easy fix. We'll just go 0.03. A bit longer, how about 0.1? That works. Okay, that works. So now we have a camera button right here, but it doesn't do anything yet. That's what we're gonna do next. So we're gonna go, when the sprite clicked. Oops, I think I accidentally opened my file explorer. Yep, I did. Oops. Okay, now with that done, okay, we're gonna go, we're gonna do the if else. No. Well, yeah, if else, I think, equals 0, we're gonna do cam. Actually, no, scratch that. We're just gonna do when the sprite clicked, set cam to 1. So when it's clicked, we'll set cam to 1. And now we can just start duplicating these around the map. Like, for example, I want this to be parts, like, we'll have like a dining area. So we'll add, put it a little like this. And I'll make this cam 2. And then we'll edit this so it's cam 2. And as you can see, now we can switch between cameras. It's just no visual feedback, which is a problem. What I'm gonna do now is actually, you actually see these camera buttons. I'm actually going to, wait, no. Never mind. Scratch that. Okay. Cam 2 button. Now we're just gonna keep duplicating them. So this one for parts and service, it'll be cam 3. And then we'll just go cam. You know what, we're just gonna name all these cam. I'm just gonna reset these numbers real quick. So we need this to be cam 1, this to be cam 2. So it'll automatically set the number for us, which is amazing. I freaking love that. Also, if you want a sound to play every time you click the buttons, you could just go choose a sound, effects. I'm gonna find the one I usually use. It's this one. It's this one. It's the finger snap. I just edited a little. Now what we do is start sound. Finger snap. Again. Okay. I'm just gonna copy this to my backpack for now. And then I'm gonna go remove the pop sound. I don't really use the pop sound. Sorry if I sound bad. I'm sick right now. Me when they say online learning. There, as you can see, we have that. And now we can add a few more cameras. I'm just gonna add a few more cameras. Okay, just gonna add a few more cameras. I'm gonna add a camera here for the music box place. That'd be camera 4. Now I'm gonna add another camera. I know this takes up your sprites a lot, but it's like one of the only ways I know how to do it. And it's probably the easiest way, in my opinion, to do it. But that's also because I don't know any other way, basically. I mean, I'm pretty sure I know a few other ways because... Oh wait, crap. I forgot to go to cam 4 and set this thing to cam 4. And then we gotta set this to cam 5. And then we're just gonna duplicate it one more time. At least for me. And... boom. All the cameras for me are done. This is gonna be like a 20-minute video, I'm pretty sure. I'll try to cut some of it out, but honestly, some of this is important information. So now we'll go in here. Ooh, I just realized the camera has no sound. That's not good. We want sound. We'll go. Effects. We'll go. Just look at all these. I'm just looking for something. I have an idea. I delete all this. Oops, I accidentally just made I just made the friggin' sound from, wait, do I have the camera sound in my backpack that I like to use? Please tell me I have it. No, I don't have it. Oh, this sucks. Trying to find a new camera sound. Oh my god. You know, we'll just use this one for now because I spent like the last 3 minutes trying to find a good sound and I don't want to bore you. We'll just do start sound. Okay, so now that we got that, let's add the camera function. You know, we'll duplicate this, but remove the sprite clicked code, and we'll just copy the perimeters of the camera. Copy the perimeters of the camera. We'll call this the cam view. Paste, and we'll 100% it. Shrink it a little. We'll stretch it out to meet the perimeters of there. Just a little bit like that. A little bit like this. Yeah, we're removing the outline anyway. Now you're gonna want to take this and make it into like a background or something. Okay, now that we got that, we're just gonna add a bunch of like rooms. And add a stage. We're not adding the characters to the costumes for like a reason. Now we'll like take this room, but I'll like change the color. And maybe we'll add some tables, like a white table. We'll add like the table. Wait, no, we'll delete that. Remember, don't be afraid to copy paste. But only copy paste your own work. Okay, we'll make this the cam 1. We'll call this kit. And then we'll call it cam. See, it automatically makes it cam 3. We're gonna delete this because cam 3, as we know, is the parts of the surface area. So we're gonna make it more grayish color. Yeah, the stage turned into like into shading kind of. Now we're gonna add the music box area, which is gonna have a balloon kind of thing to it. And I'm gonna add like a little music box. I'm gonna add a box here. And we'll make it like pink. We'll make like a pinkish color. And then we'll like stretch it across like that. And I'll like kind of like put that there. I just realized this is not good. Oh no, I just realized something. Okay. We gotta do something real quick. It's called take this I'm sorry. Wait, okay, we have to do this now. Oh god, that's not... Move it to fit this. Okay, and now okay, now we're just gonna like do all this shenanigans. I'm sorry that I had to do this, but yeah, so it overlaps that. So this overlaps this because it's what we want. But the thing about this is we want to go backwards a couple layers so the cam buttons are on top. Okay, there. We got that. Okay, sorry about that. We're just gonna call this little map. Layers suck. I'm just gonna say it right now. Layers suck. I could have added that to the cam view. I'm just realizing, yeah, it would have been so much easier to. It would have been like taking up less sprite room. But anyway, so now what we're gonna do is 1 hour C. Okay, we're just gonna go. 1 hour C, night 1, forever. Forever set. So, okay, we're gonna do a little magic trick here. I'll show you in a sec why we ordered them in order. You have to make sure you ordered them. Like, I'm serious. Otherwise, you're gonna have to go through basically a hack. So now we're gonna do switch color. Look at this. Scratch did the work for us. One sec. Okay, I'm back. I just had to go eat pizza. Sorry, lunch. You know. Okay, so now let's get back to making the cameras. For cam 5, I'm going to make the hallway like entirely brown. And I'm gonna draw a little thing that says you. And then we're just gonna duplicate this for the other hallway. Yes. Okay. Now if I'm correct, we should have all the cameras working. Yep. Why did I laugh at that? I feel so bad now. Okay, so now that we have all the cameras working, that's it. That's the cameras. That's how you make the cameras work in this game. In games. You can obviously hide the variables now, and yep, you are done. I mean, obviously you gotta add the AI to the cameras, but That's easier said than done. I might upload another video if this video could get like enough support, and if anybody wants to know how to make the AI for an animatronic, just type in the comment section on what AI you would want, and the one that gets the most likes, I will do that AI, or the one I like the most, I will do that AI. So anyway, peace.